Hornblende shows the typical monoclinic amphibole features like tremolite and actinolite, but has stronger colour and pleochroism. The maximum extinction angle is about 25 degrees. The development of cleavage in prismatic sections varies widely from sharp to diffuse to absent, depending on grain orientation. But transverse sections like this show it well. This section shows typical six-sided outline as well. Four-sided cross-sections also occur. But some transverse sections may not show cleavage. Simple twins may be visible in transverse sections and also in prismatic grains. The maximum interference colour grain shows the greatest pleochroism, the X and the Z colours. Hornblende varies widely in texture and colour, from pale and fibrous to darker and granular to bluish green and darker bluish green to brownish green and to dark greenish brown. These darker colours mask the interference colours. Prismatic form is common, but aggregates vary and can be fibrous and subradiating. Hornblende can react or alter to biotite. And can alter to a colourless or pale green urolithic amphibole. This is a calcite chlorite pseudomorph of Hornblende. Sodic amphiboles have bluish colour. This is crossite, intermediate between glaucophane and riebeckite. Glaucophane is paler blue and riebeckite is very dark greenish blue.